Welcome everybody, my name is Marcus, and in this video I will show you a simple way how you can access your recordings in BlueJeans. So let's just start the recording now for a meeting that I'm on. And right when I have it, okay, I will just also add a highlight here. I don't know, you added a highlight. And I will stop recording, right? Stop. Now, when I have it, what you want to do is just be in BlueJeans dashboard and click here recordings. And right when I'm going to have it, I can see Mark's meeting, 3 recordings, right? And when I will open it, I can see right here, I can simply add a highlight to it. And for example, I did a highlight right here. And now it's not HD.
Oh, okay, got it.
So this is how you can simply do it. And this is how you can find your recordings. So yeah, have a great day and goodbye.